Picture a perfect Florida evening. You are sitting by your pool at dusk, enjoying the breeze without a single distraction. But that dream fades fast when you factor in the reality of living here. Between swarms of microscopic insects, brutal storm winds, and a heavy dog jumping against the door, a standard cheap screen gets destroyed quickly. Homeowners often mistake screen mesh for a generic commodity, but the material choice dictates whether a patio stays bug-free and intact during a storm. Look at the baseline reality of this exposed backyard space. Every leaf, bug, and gust of wind has direct access to the patio. And here is the aesthetic upgrade. The space is completely enclosed and protected from the elements. But that visual transformation only translates into functional success if the specific mesh used actually matches the unique environmental threats of that exact property. Choosing your material based entirely on the lowest bid leads to replacing ripped panels and swatting gnats in a year. Matching the mesh weave to the specific insects and wind speeds of your lot keeps the space usable for longer. A modern pool cage is a modular structure designed to block specific pests and resist physical damage. Let's break down exactly how to build yours. This image shows the standard options, starting with regular 1814 screen, the budget-friendly industry standard. Its main advantage is blocking larger pests like mosquitoes and flies, while maintaining a large grid to allow maximum natural airflow. If you live inland, have a tight budget, and only deal with standard insect pressure, this material does the job perfectly. However, it has one critical failure point in Florida. The grid gaps are too wide to stop micro-insects. Standard protection is great, but only if your yard's environment is standard, which is rare for most Florida homes. If you live near a lake, a golf course, or the coast, your primary threat is much smaller. Sandflies, gnats, and no-see-ums become highly aggressive right at dusk. Looking at panel 2, the 2020 no-see-um match is engineered specifically for this micro-threat, noticeably tighter weave. To block a smaller insect, you need smaller holes, which means physics requires a slight reduction in your ambient crossbreeze. For waterfront properties, losing a tiny fraction of airflow is a necessary trade-off to keep the biting bugs out. When you live directly on the water, you need the tighter weave to keep your patio usable after sunset. Bugs are an immediate annoyance, but you also have to design against the slower, invisible threats that destroy enclosures over time: intense UV degradation and constant wind tension. That brings us to panel 3, Super Screen, available in a 1720 or heavier 1614 weave. This is a premium polyester upgrade over standard fiberglass. The mechanical advantages here are massive. The polyester construction makes it highly resistant to tearing, structural stretching, and sun fading. Look at the financial reality on this chart. Super Screen sits in the top right quadrant.
The higher upfront cost is directly offset by the fact that you eliminate expensive, repetitive rescreening cycles down the road. Because of its strength, you want to deploy this material across large structural spans, in high wind zones, and strictly on roof panels, which are difficult and expensive to service later. Super Screen is the definitive choice for homeowners evaluating their enclosure as a decade-long investment rather than a quick fix. Then you have sudden, localized mechanical trauma. A household dog jumping against a door or a cat scratching the lower panels will tear right through standard fiberglass instantly. Looking at panel 4, Pet Screen is the heavy-duty countermeasure designed specifically for those sharp impacts. But look at the image closely. The dark, heavy-gauge lines of the reinforced material severely restrict both your visibility and the airflow compared to the other options.
Because of that architectural trade-off, you should strictly limit Pet Screen to the bottom-most chair rail sections and the lower halves of rescreen doors. It functions as localized body armor. It isn't a whole cage solution, but it saves you from a constant cycle of patching ripped lower panels. Finally, we need to solve the lifestyle issues of tight property lines, neighbors looking in, and dirty water splashing up from lawnmowers or heavy rain. Panel 5 shows Florida grass. This unique hybrid material is laminated with a frosted, opaque vinyl layer. As you can see, it completely obscures the background. It provides 100% visual privacy while creating a solid block against dirt and water from outside. But because it is laminated, it permits zero airflow and does not drain. It is not a roofing material and must be strictly confined to lower wall panels. Florida glass transforms a basic screen panel into a solid privacy wall, keeping your pool deck clean and intimate, even in densely packed neighborhoods.
you do not have to choose just one of these materials for your entire cage. The most efficient strategy for balancing cost, comfort, and durability is a hybrid zonal approach, as modeled here. You specify superscreens strictly on the roof to defend against UV rays and high winds. Then you wrap the main vertical walls in no-CM mesh for premium bug protection. Finally, you deploy pet screen exclusively on the high-traffic doors and use Florida glass on the bottom panels facing the closest neighbor. This is the baseline reality of a vulnerable, exposed backyard, and this is the resulting protected environment when you apply proper material zoning. Effective planning involves matching specific screen types to the specific needs of each section of the cage, rather than relying on a single expensive material for the whole structure. Executing a hybrid design requires precise measurements and expert consultation from a trusted partner. Screen Factory Florida has a 4.9-star rating and an A+ BBB accreditation to get the engineering exactly right. Click the link in the description to schedule your free, zero-risk on-site measurement and consultation today.